Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Let us find. Let us find. First we solve question number 1, that is 216. 2, 1, 6. First of all, we'll find the prime factorization of 216. Let us find 216. Prime factorization of 216 is equal to, dividing by 2 we are getting 2 1 is 2, 0, 8 is 16. Again divided by 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8. Again by 2, that is 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14. Again by 3, 3 9 is 27, and 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. Therefore we can write it as 2016 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. That means we are getting 2 to the power cube into 3 to the power cube, 2 to the power cube into 3 to the power cube. Here you see, we got the cube of all the numbers, 2 to the cube and 3 to the cube also. That we can say that 216 is a perfect cubes. 2016 is a perfect cube. Therefore, we can say that 216 is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube. Now, question number 2, 128. 128. 128. Let's first find the prime factorization of 128. 128. This can be written as 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, and 2 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Dividing by 2, 16 is 32, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, and 2 2 is 4. Right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That can be written as 2 into 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 2. It can be written as 2 to the power cube into 2 to the power cube into 2 into 2. Here you see that only 2 is coming. Prime factor 2 doesn't have triplet. Prime factor 2 does not have triplet. Does not have triplet. That is 2 into 2 into 2. Does not have triplet. Therefore, we can say, therefore, 128 is not a perfect cube, is not a perfect cube, not a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. Let's solve question number 3, that is 1000. Right? Now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 1000. Question number 3 is 1000. 1000. If we find the prime factorization of 1000, we are getting 1000. 1000. Dividing by 2, we are getting 2 5 is 10. 0 0. Again dividing by 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 5 is 10. It is 0. Again dividing by 2. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 5 10. Again dividing by 5, 5 2 10, 5 5 25. Again 5 5 25, 5 5 25. Therefore we are getting 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5. It can be written as 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power cube. We are getting 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power cube, 5 to the power cube. That means we are getting triplet of 2 and 5. We are getting triplet. We are getting triplet of 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Therefore, we can say that 1000 is a perfect cube. 1000 is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube. Let's solve question number 4. Now you see question number 4 is 100. 100. If we find the prime factorization of 100, we are getting 100 divided by 2, that is 50. Again divided by 2, that is 25. Again divided by 5, that is 5 5 25. 5 5 25. Therefore, we are getting 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. That is 2 to the power square into 5 to the power square. Right? 2 to the square and 5 to the power square. Therefore, we are not getting the triplet of 2. We are not getting 22 and 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore, we can say that 100 is not a perfect cube. 100 is not a perfect cube. Not a perfect cube. Not a perfect cube. Right? Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. Find the prime factorization of this number, that is 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. We have to find the prime factorization of 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. Let us find divided by 2. That is 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 to the 4, 8 is 16. That is 2, 3 3, 2, 8. Again divided by 2. That is 2 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. Again divided by 2. That is 2, 5 is 10, 2 is 16, 2 3 is 6, 2 is 4, 5 8 3 2. Again dividing by 2. That is 2 is 4, 2 is 18, 2 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 9, 1 6. Again if we divide it by 2, then we are getting 2 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 10, 2 is 16. That is 14 58. Again we divide it by 2. It is 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 9 is 18, 729. If we divide it by 3, then we are getting 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, and 3 3 is 9. Again divide it by 3, 3 8 is 24, and 3 1 is 3. Again if we divide 81 by 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, and 3 9 is 27, and 3 3 is 9. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2. Therefore, we are writing is 2 into 2 into 2. Again, we are writing 2 into 2 into 2. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 3 into 3 into 3. And also 3 into 3 into 3. Right? It can be written as 2 to the power cube. 2 to the power cube into 2 to the power cube into 3 to the power cube into 3 to the power cube. Right? We get all the numbers as cube. Right? Therefore, you can say here all are cube. These will get triplet 2 cube, 3 cube, and 3 cube. Right? All the numbers 2, 2, and 3 all expressed in the form of cube. Therefore, we can say that 4, 6, 6, 5, 6 is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.